Hi, welcome back to DIY Chip Daddy. Today I'm going to replace the lithium faucet, and basically this is 2578 model. I will put this at the end of all the parts, and basically what you need is some kind of hack ski. Remove the nut right here. On the left hand side is right there. So you just put this in and turn counterclockwise, and this will be removed. And same on this one. So the hole for the nut is over there. After you turn, you can remove like this. And after that, make sure you turn off the water and use the wrench to turn this way, and this part will become out. So number one, make sure the water is turned off. So after you turn off the control right here, double check and make sure there's no water, and there's no water. And double check this side, any water, there's no water. So you can proceed. So make sure you turn off the water. And the part for this one is the RP4993. If you need to, then you can do RP25513, which is this one. And just in case the right hand side need to be replaced, I also bought the off brand. But since they were out of stock, I have to buy this brand. Otherwise you should use the OEM or the genuine part once and for all, because they should last much longer. So after that, just remove this, and then this may be tight but wrinkle a little bit, and it will come out. And the part supposed to causing the leak is right there. So just remove it and put a new one in. Okay, so stick this in and it will come out. So remember the position of the spring and put back the same way. So the bottom one is the new one, so I'm going to use the new spring and also the new washer. And normally I put a little bit grease on top of it right here, and also on the other part, so it will be last longer. So after that, just put that into the hole right there. After that, I put it in here and slide into the hole right there, and that is where I put it out. So you may take a couple try to insert this one into it, but you can do it. So this is the old one. And after that, I will put some grease on the contact point and put it back. So put all the grease on the O-ring. So if your old part looks good, and only need to clean up all the dirt right there and the debris, so just make it smooth. You can keep the old part and check whether it needs. Otherwise you just buy the new part. When you put it back, don't need a lot of force, so just make sure the knot line up with the knot. You can only go in one way. And I also will put some grease on the rubber part so it will seal better. And that's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and of course later on put back this one. And after that, just put back the ring. Make sure you won't cross thread it, and that's it. And Make sure it's tight, but not very tight. So just turn this, and don't over tight, because if need you can tighten it again. That's all, folks. And put back this one, and tighten that hole with the hex. That's all, folks. Okay, moment of truth. So let's see. Looks okay. It looks okay. It's a little bit slow, but at least there's no leak. One more time. Close it. No leak. So I'm also trying to clean this area, so you can put some tape on your plier and turn it so you won't scratch this. So I'm going to put something here and then put in the plier right there and turn it. So I'm going to turn it this way to open the area so you won't get scratch. So that's it. Turn it. And after that, I just use the hand. There's a lot of dirt here, so I'm going to clean this up so the water will be flow much better. That's all, folks. Please like, subscribe, and comment. After I clean this, just put back the same way and turn this way. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching.